Today's AT tip is on Bits. Bits is a web page that was shared to me by Michelle Gartner at the middle school. I think it's such a fabulous resource. I am sharing it out with you guys. I highly encourage that you take a look, and if you see what you like, I want you to spread the word to your gen ed teachers. So here it is. Once you go to the website, you will see a variety of, I'm going to call them folders or sections. You can go ahead and click on a section, open it up, and you're going to see a huge list of titles. You can scroll through that list to find what you're looking for. Way it's laid out is the most newest books are listed first, and then all the rest of the audiobooks are in alphabetical order. You can scroll through and try to find the book that you're looking for, or you can just use the Command F buttons and type in the name of the book that you want. So I know that Fahrenheit 451 is often read at Northfield High School, I believe it is. So I would look for it, I would find it, I would click on it, it would open up. It's going to again show me the title, the author's name, who is narrating it. It's going to be typically a human voice. It'll give me a little description of what the book is about. Then you can jump right into the index. What I really like about this is it's indexed out for you into chapters or pages or units. So it's a little bit easier for our students to navigate through. So let's say they're in chapter 3. And they can then choose their listening speed anywhere from 100% is just the normal speed, all the way up to, in this case, 1.2. If they need to listen to it faster or slower. Again, the student gets to decide the rate in which they need it read to them. The text is there and it should match the novel that they're reading. And then by simply clicking play, you can listen to the novel being read to you by Tim Robbins.
Everyone watched Montag. He did not move. The alarm sounded. The bell in the ceiling kicked itself 200 times. Suddenly, there were 4 empty chairs.
So that was playing at normal speed. I'm going to give you a little sample of slowing it down to 85.
The cards fell in a flurry of snow. The brass pole shivered. The men were gone. Montag sat.
Okay, so I'm now going to show you what it would sound like if we sped it up.
In his chair, below, the orange dragon coughed to life. Montag slid down the pole like a man in a dream. The mechanical hound leapt up in its kennel, its eyes all green flame.
Okay, by playing and pausing, they can control when they're listening. It does not keep track of where the reader is reading the text, so I would highly encourage the students not only to listen, but visually attend to the screen. Once the student pauses for the day, they would need to note what chapter they're on and where they're at in that sound file. So in this case, I would say I'm on the chapter 3 and I'm at 26 seconds. So I could come back to chapter 3 and then I could just go right to, by moving the time element, I could go right back to where I left off the day before. I'm going to jump right back to home, talk a little bit more about what this website offers. I think they're forever adding more into it. You cannot download these because it is a free resource. So you can't download these books, but you can link the website or the web page to, let's say, your Schoology page. Again, we have novels, novellas, which are smaller, shorter stories. We do have short stories, which are shorter than novellas. Listen and read are articles, interviews, and speeches. Within this, there are different, I'm going to call them folders or units of files. Like there's 205 weeks of uploads. I would also use that same function or Command F if there was a specific topic I wanted to get more information on. Maybe I want an article on the election. There you go. There's 5 articles on the election. I can toggle through and I can take a look and see what those interviews or articles were about on the election. So if you have any questions, please reach out. If you want to give suggestions on how this could be implemented in either your curriculum or how you could share it with other teachers, I highly encourage it.